What a beautiful sunset at the Pantachou beach in the Ayia Napa, one of the longest beaches in this resort town in the southeast coast of Cyprus. And we are 15 minutes away from the real sunset. It is 16:24 p.m. right now, and the sunset in Ayia Napa is at 16:39. So this will be a super nice sunset swim in paradise. And today is 26th of December, Boxing Day, or second day of Christmas. And I have been exploring the beach Cliquinero, that's right next to this one. Check out that video as well. As well as I've started from that beach and explored beautiful secret sea caves on the way to the Lovers Bridge. Snorkeling all the way, around 1 kilometer sea line from Bikini. But now I'm showing you also Pantachou beach that's almost empty right now. There are some fishermen here and there. I see one person swimming in the water and few people with clothes on the beach. So what a wonderful way to end day 6 of my 2-week vacation during the Christmas and New Year's holidays in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. I just love enjoying in the golden hour, which is happening right now. And yeah, so here the entrance is empty and the water is 20 degrees Celsius and in the air right now it's 19 degrees Celsius. It was 20 degrees earlier today during the beginning of the afternoon. And what a fantastic day. I did 1.5 hours of snorkeling and exploring earlier. So there will be lots of episodes from that on my channel. But I'm gonna let you enjoy now a bit more in the sunset as I am getting ready for the sunset swim here in Pantachou beach that you can see here. So yes, this is all Pantachou beach and around that corner there is Bikini. Very beautiful beach, but quite smaller compared to Pantachou. And I can see from here all the way to the distance to Cabo Greco Peninsula that I visited yesterday. The Blue Lagoon that's located there. Beautiful, beautiful sunset. So right now, now it is only 12 minutes from the real sunset that will set down there at the port of Ayia Napa. So yeah, it starts to get a little bit chilly now in the evening, but still super warm for the season, as it was minus 10 degrees in Stockholm yesterday and today actually also. So I feel blessed to be able to come here and enjoy the holidays in paradise. And as I have written in the shorts that I posted earlier, so summer paradise in winter, that is Cyprus for sure. All right, now let's dive in. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful sunset swim here in Pantachou beach in Ayia Napa. I'm gonna be enjoying now the sunset here and yeah, enjoy life. So thanks a lot for watching this episode from Pantachou beach that looks completely the opposite in December compared to when I was here in summer. It was overcrowded with people overflowing everywhere. Now I can count only 5 people on this huge beach that's probably 1.5 kilometers long from what I can estimate. As the sunset goes down, I'm leaving you to it and saying thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another fantastic beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!
za náma. Ale ty se s náma bavit a kontakte. Tak dále.